Well, it's a different court. It operates on totally different principles, and its main objective is to see if we can turn people away from crime and get them to change their lifestyle.
The most important thing is that we're there to try and make changes so that you don't come back to this space. We don't want to see you back here again, and if we do see you, we want to see you supporting other whānau, and we really want to help you to make those changes.
I believe that's the starting place. When people understand who they are really, the skills, the gifts, the blessing, the part they play, where they belong, you know, they'll get on with it.
This is more of a job for me. The satisfaction definitely is to see that our whānau do graduate, but it's all about trying to help our whānau because they have really nowhere else to go. They're quite the undesirables of our community.
There's a whole lot of goodwill that comes out of our people in our communities, and we have to, as Crown agents, make sure that we're not taking advantage of that goodwill, and that our people need to be enabled to do what agencies and agents of the Crown struggle to do, and that's engage those that have disengaged from everything around them. We need to find more ways to enable our people, enable those to engage our people in the right way.
So if you do the work with the people, you create the opportunities, all of those people within the system that have been trying to do something that's got this cycle of just back around and round again, when they see things changing, they hear stories, they start seeing things, it's not hard not to convince them. So they see that, they see us, that we're genuine. I mean, the biggest thing to me I took from a lawyer who's been in the system for close to 40-something years, you know, can become quite cynical, but he says, you fellas do a good job because I see you care. That was the best compliment I could think of.
Well, it's not successful in every case, but it's successful in a majority of cases, in fact a large majority of cases, where people have different pathways opened up to them that didn't exist before, have different assistance in dealing with past traumas.
It does have a lot to do with our own traumas. So for me, I believe if Matariki was around for my own son, who is now 32, back when he did aggravated robbery when he was 18, then had to go through the Manukau District Court. At the time, it was very daunting. Our whānau didn't know what to do. There was no one there to help us. It was just a lawyer that said he's going away for 3 years. And that's what we took. And he went away for 3 years. He never come right after that. So for me, that's a personal trauma. For me, I don't want any other whānaus to go through that if I can help them.